Hi there, this is Doreen Velin. I want to welcome you, and I hope it's back again. So we're going to do some fun things today. I just got a couple little hacks for you that in art that will surely help you a lot. So stick with me. I wanted to start today by just giving you a simple hack that I just learned actually. I was going through some very, very old American artist magazines, and this was a hack in there that about 20 years ago. So maybe you all know this, but I didn't know it. So I'm going to show you a little trick. You know, a lot of times we're doing linear art, like say if you're doing buildings or rooftop lines, and you want to get a nice straight line. The best way to do, this is not a very good ruler by the way, see this? It's too flimsy. So I'm going to show you this one because I don't have a nice straight wooden one or metal one. But if you do, they're the best. So I'm going to show you this one. So say I want to draw a line now of a roof line, and I want to do it with my brush. Take your ruler like this, hold it like this, and take your nice fine rigger brush. Okay. Get some paint on it. Roll the paint around so it gets a nice fine tip like this. Okay, there's the tip. And I'm just going to take the ferrule. This is called a ferrule right here. So you're just going to take the ferrule, and I'm going to hold the ferrule along this edge here. So I just put it like this. Hold my brush. Hold my thing straight, and run my ferrule. Now it's not right absolutely straight. I'll try it again. This is flimsy. It's waving on me. So just pretend it's straight, okay? You can pretend, right? You got imagination, right? So maybe if I lower the angle, instead maybe down here like this, and 45 might be better. Let's just try that. Oh, look at that. Totally different. There you go. I'll do a little bit darker for you so you can see. And you don't want it right straight anyway. That's not art. So there you go. So I'm holding it like this with my fingers underneath. What I did was I went less of an angle. So that's about what? It's not a 45, but about maybe a 30-degree angle. Put it against that ferrule. And try it both this way with your doing it like a pencil. Look at that. That's a lot better, isn't it? Or do it straight ahead. I actually find I have less control going straight ahead. Yeah, see, this is not as good. Well, that's good. Okay, that was very good. Okay, let's just try it this way now, like a pencil. Oops, I jiggled there. So they're both pretty good. This was straight ahead, so that's not bad. So that's like a perpendicular to my paper, the brush. This way is more like a pencil. Practice it. Practice quite a bit, because you know, when you go to do it, then you know how to do it. And that's what these things are for, is these little hacks, is practice, practice, practice. And you know what? When people say, I can't do a stick man, well, all you do is a circle, a straight line, straight across, and we have a stick man. So yes, you can do a stick man, and you can do a straight line too. So practice it, and it's fun. Just then it gives you more courage to do it this way and have more of an artistic flair. This is actually the best one right here. So this is a good one right here. Okay, so keep practicing. That's all it takes. I want to thank you for joining me today in this quick little hack. And this is Doreen Velin. And come again.